What's going on, future entrepreneurs? I am back with another crypto HYIP video. Today we're going to be talking about Pegasus, guys. We're right back into Pegasus to 1.5% every single day. Before we get into that, we got a couple things to talk about. Let's go ahead and give me the HBO special, the help a brother out special. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I really appreciate all you guys who subbed to me so far, and I appreciate all you guys who are going to sub to me in the future. Also, guys, let's go ahead and get this disclaimer out of the way. You can come back, you can pause, you can read it, you can come back and read the whole thing, which I do recommend that you read. I'm not pretty much saying that Charles, the passive income trucker, is not your financial advisor. I'm not here to give you guys financial help. Even though sometimes I may say you can do this, you can do that, you're going to have to take your situation into account. You're going to have to take your financial situation into account. Talk to a CPA that can help you with your finances. Talk to someone that can help you make financial decisions. Let's get into today's video. Today we're going to be talking about Pegasus. Pegasus pretty much is giving us 1.5% per day for 200 straight days. I don't think it'll last that long. Most of these systems don't last that long. If it does, I would be absolutely surprised. And right now, my account, I had put $50 in the account. Today, if I'm not mistaken, it's day number 3 or day number 4. And so far, it's saying my earned balance is $2.13. But it's also showing, it's like 23 cents in USD. But for some reason, it's showing 215. There's 213. Total balance is 215. So it's like there's 2 cents instead of 23 cents from what is showing right here. So it's not enough for me to make a withdrawal. It's not enough for me to go ahead and take anything out. But my other system that I am using, I do have enough. Well, not really. I think I have enough in one that I can make a withdrawal, but in the other one I have to wait until tonight before I can make a withdrawal. Let me go ahead, since that's pretty much all for this one. It's pretty much just 1.5% daily, 200 days. That's pretty much it. There's nothing else really much to show you guys. But I do have this other crypto that I've been looking at, this other account. Let me see if they're gonna let me make this withdrawal. Let me go ahead and refresh to make sure my screen is showing up to date. Let me go ahead and sign back in. Go ahead and log in. Now, okay, on this particular this is one that I've been playing around with as well. I do kind of take some chances as well, and I'll just put some money into some of them. I do have one that I did put money in, just to be honest with you, that didn't even show my deposit. So that's pretty much, I'm counting that as a loss, and I moved on. And that was one that I'm pretty much, I don't know if I shared it. If I did, it's one that I'm not going to recommend. This one I may not recommend for a while, because this one is showing, it's giving 11% per day. I've only been in it for a couple of days, and I'm already showing $16.05. The other day when I tried to make a withdrawal, it said I needed at least a $13 in the account to make a withdrawal. Now let me see here. Let's go ahead and show the deposit history. And like most of the other systems, it only gives you the deposit. It only shows your earnings that, depending on whatever time you make your deposit, is when it shows you'll get your earnings for that particular day. So as you can see, the last 3 days I've been earning $5.50 per day, which is pretty much 11%. 10% would be $5 a day, so it's at 11% per day. Now I would consider this a very high risk because of the amount that they give you every single day. It's 11%. So what I'm about to do is see if it'll let me make this withdrawal, so I can send this to one of my accounts to see if it's really going to allow me to make this withdrawal and to allow this money to go to my account. If so, I'm just going to keep on making withdrawals and keep on making withdrawals until it lets me not be able to make withdrawals. So right now we have $16.50. So just going down here, we're going to put $16.50 in the withdrawal. I don't have any comments, so just go ahead and press request. And sometimes when you do make these withdrawals, it doesn't show up right away. Each particular platform is a little bit different. So withdrawal fee, we have no fees. So the amount, that's where it's going. It's going to be in Ethereum. So let's press confirm. Okay, so it's showing my balance right now is 0. It's making a little money sound right there. So I don't remember which platform I used. I think I may have used the Exodus. I'm not 100% sure. Let's see if I can go to the home page on here. And that's also another way for me to check. So right now my balance is 131. And let's see, is that showing sub confirm right there? I'm not sure what that is. Let me see if that's what that was. Let's go back here to to the wallet. Let's click on Ethereum, and right now Ethereum is showing $16.42, and it looks like that was pretty fast. The money's already there. It's showing 0.00849. This is pretty much this is just January 1st, which is today. So it looked like it automatically showed up. So right now it's allowing me to make these deposits into my account. Now again, this system is 11% per day. If you do want to join, I would advise you just go ahead and text me, and because I do want to have a conversation with you before you join. This is a really, really high risk, and I just want to have a quick little text conversation with you. Just text me or email me, and we could talk about this particular program. If you do want to participate in this particular program, because I'm not going to put any link in the description because of the higher risk than normal that it is. I'm not going to just put a link down below for that one. I do want to have at least a quick conversation to see if this is something that you're interested in. Just text me or email me and let me know that you would like to join. So as of right now, it is showing that it's allowing me to make these withdrawals into my account. As you can see, I just received saying 2 minutes ago. It's pretty fast. I just hit the button not long ago, and I wasn't expecting to go that fast. So it was Ethereum. As you can see right now, the balance is 0. So this system is paying out as of right now. Let me see if I can go back to the log out and go to the home page to see if it'll actually say how long the system has been operating. Most of these systems, they do tell you how long they've been around. I'm not sure how accurate it is or how much how honest they are on that particular point. And as you can see in this particular program, this is the one that I got in. It says 11% for 11 days. They have 13% for 13 days, but you have I put in the minimum. Well, not the minimum. I put in 50 just to see what would happen. It's $10 minimum, $800 maximum. On 13%, it's $800. 15%, $3,000. 20%, $10,000. Now, again, guys, this is pretty much a very high risk. Don't put in this money if you cannot afford to lose it. If you log in tomorrow and it says the system is gone, it would not deter you from being able to take care of your monthly bills. It won't hurt you as far as getting to where it gets from point A to point B. Text me if you do want to get involved. Again, guys, this is another system that I just been looking at that I kind of found. And it also gives you right here a chance to put in, like I put in 50, so it would show that I would profit. Well, my total return would be $6, and if it was the last whole 11 days. Right now, I am at day number 3, and I've been making $5.50 per day, which I just made the withdrawal. Again, guys, this is the Passive Income Trucker. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you like more content like this, and I'm out.